Trieste is preparing for Barcolana57, the world's largest sailing regatta. Beginning October 1st, the festival brings nearly 600 events across Friuli Venezia Giulia, from Grado to Lignano, leading up to the main race on Sunday, October 12th. This year's edition focuses on inclusivity, environmental awareness, and community, with highlights ranging from youth and women in sailing.
It's a very important event for Trieste, but also for Generali. It's more than 40 years that we actually are the presenting partner and the main sponsor of this wonderful event, which I think it's a very important event that shows the main assets and qualities of this wonderful city.
This year, Women in Sailing is not only an award for the woman who's leading a team in Barcolana, who also gets a coaching journey here with the Academy of Generali, but it's also a project that we do with all the sailing clubs in the region to work together with the trainers and the kids to see what we can do practically to support the development of mixed teams in sailing.
Today we are opening the 57th edition of Barcolana. We are very happy, a very big Barcolana with enlargement, really important enlargement, more than 10 days, more than 600 events all over the region, not only in Trieste, not only in the sea, but in the town and in the whole region of Friuli Venezia Giulia. So enjoy Barcolana 57.